Welcome to the Claudix AI training video series. In this video we are going to tell you how to use AI Designer in Claudix AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI Designer. Here you can design according to your needs. You just need to choose or select the option which you need to design. Just click on option and a tailor-made prompt suggestion will appear. Either edit it to your needs or you can add your own prompt if you want. And bingo, your result is ready. You can download it. Here you can create many graphical miracles like poster, logo, and even design a t-shirt within clicks. Just create and use magic of AI Designer. Thanks for watching the video.